What caused the 24-inch water main break in Forsyth County? The surprising reasons behind this major disruption reveal how aging infrastructure and unexpected pressure factors collide to cause chaos. One key cause behind the 24-inch water main break was the aging infrastructure. The pipe involved had been installed many years ago, making it vulnerable to cracks and weaknesses. Over time, materials degrade due to constant water pressure, corrosion, and environmental stress. This aging makes pipes more prone to sudden failures, especially under high demand or pressure changes. Another surprising factor was pressure fluctuations within the system. Water mains experience varying pressure levels throughout the day. In Forsyth County, maintenance or repair activities nearby can cause sudden spikes or drops in pressure. These fluctuations can stress the pipe walls beyond their limits, triggering breaks. This dynamic pressure interplay often plays a hidden but critical role in such failures. Environmental conditions also contributed to the break. Soil movement beneath the pipeline from freeze-thaw cycles, heavy rains, or drought can shift or stress buried pipes. Forsyth County experiences seasonal weather variations that affect the ground stability. These natural forces can create cracks or weaken pipe joints, setting the stage for breaks when pressure changes occur. The 24-inch water main break in Forsyth County was caused by a mix of aging pipes, pressure fluctuations, and environmental stresses working together. This event highlights the importance of ongoing infrastructure upgrades and monitoring. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.